Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and we've got a small Amazon unboxing here for you today of washi tape. Yes, the Christmas season is only around the corner, and I wanted to get this from that fantastic company that is called Italian Options. And I have quite a few different Christmassy ones, as you can see here with the little snowman. There's some more in my washi tape holder, but I was having a browse around to see if I could find something a little bit different, Christmassy but food related, and I came across this. See, Italian Options, best company ever. A nice thick roll, as you can see, and look, it's a little Christmas pudding. So I have got a Santa Claus painting that is going to go perfect with that. I did have a rummage around on Temu to see if I could find a Christmas pudding painting to go with it, because when I buy these I like to see if I can match them to the painting, but I couldn't find any. So I thought Santa eats mince pies on the night of Christmas Eve when he's supposed to be dropping the presents, drinking his milk and the mince pies. So I thought, do you know what, let's go for something different. And this was £2.49, and I do want to thank Just Play who funded it, because if you've got Just Play, you will get free products because you play the game, you earn vouchers, and then you get it. And look guys, absolutely beautiful, nice direct dark red vibe to it as well. And you know, it's got the little holly and the little cherry and the icing, and then the pudding. But this is why I say go with Italian Options. They're on Amazon, and they're the same company I bought the Halloween tape of, the skeleton tape, the Happy Halloween. I think I bought an Easter Bunny one as well, but you get a nice thick roll. So I hope you like that video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, check out Italian Options today, and always tap that notification bell and you can be notified as and when a video is up on the channel. Until next time, take care, catch you later.